It really shook me as a parent to possibly have your kid sadly pass away because of something as simple as a blind cord.
My name is Wolfgramm. I am 31 years old.
Hey, my name is Richard Wolfgramm. I am of Tongan descent. I am a husband to one and a father to three.
Mariah, Eden and Zion, who are 7, 5 and 3.
Our household is a very busy, very loud household. I think for us, in terms of keeping our kids safe, I've been a real big believer in giving our kids a lot of space and as much space as we can give them to roam around and just be kids, and just making sure that there's nothing in the space that would harm them.
My kids mean everything to me. As soon as you have that first child, your life changes and it's no longer all about you, it's all about this little person and this life that you have been entrusted to raise, making sure that they're safe so they can then grow up into awesome people.
It's actually a story of my son. He was about 1.5 years old and he just learned how to walk.
Richard was, I guess, in here in the lounge, and our blinds are kind of down at the back of the house. And I think he had heard someone kind of struggling or like a rustling or kind of thing.
I didn't think anything of it. I just heard the noise and I thought, oh, it could be Zion just playing around. But I decided to, have a look. And he was literally like on an angle and couldn't get himself off. He was trying to take, and he was choking on the blind cord in the back of the house. So it really shook me as a parent to possibly have your kid sadly pass away because of something as simple as a blind cord.
It's just something that you'd never think of, or like, I'm just like, man, how did we miss that? But also, we never would have thought that was a thing that we needed to protect them from.
We've never thought that blind cords was a danger. It never crossed my mind that something like that could happen. We learned then that blind cords are a really big hazard, and it's something that can definitely do harm, if not kill your children. So it's something we learned really fast.
It's kind of just like, wow, there are things that we take for granted or just kind of skim over in our own home that can really be dangerous. And so I think it was definitely a catalyst for us to be like, okay, let's have a look around and see, what can we do to make this place a bit safer. Yeah.
Talking to your landlord or someone about them to have a look at the options you have around blinds and choosing the safest option.
There are so many different safety devices out there, and so just looking at what kind of blinds you have and then figuring out what device is going to be best for that blind. So if you are wanting to find out more about the safety devices and how to make your home safe, you can head to the Safekids website and you can find out more information about it there.